Greetings from Alvik and this wild rocky beach very close to Alvik strand, and it is quite awesome indeed. And despite being super hot day, 24 degrees Celsius right now, it is completely empty. It is lunchtime, 12 o'clock here in Stockholm. As I mentioned, 14th of August, and I am out exploring another beach location. And it's been a while since I have been in Alvik, and this one over here is quite nice, to be fair, and it's located just a few hundred meters from Alvik. We can see in the distance after the bridge, and this is the bridge above that connects Alvik with Stora Essingen on the other side. You can see those houses, and that is where the Tvärbana, the tram, goes also for the line from Solna to Sickla. And yes, Beach Adventures with Chris, we continue on this beach, the number 118, was it? Let me double check so I don't lie to you. But we have super nice sunny weather indeed, and I'm so eager to take a swim here because it is so hot indeed. Yes, 118, I was right. So the time flies when you have fun, for sure. Now let's check the temperature first before we dive in here in the Lake Mälaren. Now let's see where I can measure the temperature the best way. Probably here, as I'm giving you the view of this bridge, and we can see also Kungsholmen as red hell in the distance. The water seems very warm indeed. I think it's gonna be over 20 degrees for sure. And the verdict says 21 degrees Celsius. Yes, 21 degrees Celsius. That sounds about right. So that means we are ready for the swim here today. So Alvik is very close to the central part of Stockholm, just across the bridge. Now I didn't pass this bridge to get here, I passed the other bridge that you can see that is closer to Kungsholmen. And I have passed by the neighborhood of Alvik and Alvik Strand, and there is one restaurant there called Miami Strand as well. That was strange enough. But yeah, let me show you here more a bit of the setting here. So you can pick whatever place here you want, and there's the tram that is passing on right now as we speak with direction towards Solna. So this tram goes connects actually some of the major metro and train stations, and is basically making a circle around Stockholm. Right, then let's get going and take a swim on this wonderful day over here. 14th of August. I can't believe that time flies so fast, and August is coming to an end soon as well. All right, so with this wonderful view that I have here of Lake Mälaren, let's enjoy a nice swim over here. Let's go. Oh yeah, it's been a while since I have been in Lake Mälaren. I used to swim a lot in Mälaren when I was living in Tensta in the north part of Stockholm, and my closest beach then was Hässelby and Råsta. But now I barely swim over here, as it is mainly when I'm in the center of the city. And yeah, here you can see the bridge that connects Alvik to Stora Essingen, and it is quite nice indeed. what a wonderful day to explore. Right, so thank you so much for watching this episode with me from these Alvik rocks over here in Stockholm, quite close to center Stockholm. And I'm going to see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.